Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak Flow Podcast. I'm Emily, and I'm so happy to have you here again. If you're new to the channel, this is the place where we talk about English, technology, and the world around us, all in a fun, natural, and easy way. In our last episode, we explored how ChatGPT and AI tools are changing the way we work, study, and connect. You guys loved that topic, and we loved reading all your amazing comments. So today, we're going even deeper. We're asking one of the biggest questions of our time. Can AI replace human creativity?
Hey guys, I'm Paul, and I'm thrilled to be here again with Emily. I've been looking forward to this one because, honestly, creativity is such a fascinating part of being human. And now we're living in a world where machines, yes, machines, can draw, write, compose, and even design.
Exactly. Just imagine, a few years ago, no one thought a computer could write a novel or paint a realistic picture. And now, we have AI models that can create full songs, design buildings, and even generate movie scripts. It's crazy. But it also makes you wonder, can a machine truly be creative? Or is it just imitating creativity?
That's the question. I mean, we've always believed creativity is something deeply human, something that comes from our hearts, our feelings, and our imagination. It's not just about producing something new, it's about expressing emotion and meaning.
Totally. When a painter creates a piece of art, there's often a story behind it. A memory, a feeling, maybe even pain or joy. You can feel that emotion through the colors and the brushstrokes. But when AI creates something, it doesn't actually feel anything. It just processes data.
Exactly. It doesn't dream, it doesn't hope, it doesn't get inspired by a sunset or a heartbreak. It just predicts what might look or sound good based on patterns. But here's the interesting part. Sometimes, what it produces still feels emotional to us.
Yeah, that's so true. Like that viral AI song that sounded like Drake in The Weeknd. People thought it was real. It had rhythm, emotion, and lyrics that made sense. And yet, it was completely machine-made. It made people ask, if I can't tell the difference, does it even matter who made it?
Right. And that's what's changing the creative world. AI isn't just a tool anymore. It's becoming a collaborator. You've got musicians using AI to create beats, designers using AI to come up with visual concepts, and writers using AI to brainstorm ideas. It's like a creative assistant that never sleeps.
Exactly. It's not about replacement. It's about collaboration. I think AI can help people unlock new sides of their creativity. Imagine you're a writer stuck on a story. You ask AI for 10 different ideas, and suddenly, your brain starts spinning with new inspiration.
Yeah, it's like a spark. The AI gives you the structure, but you give it the soul. You choose what feels right.
Totally. I'd say AI has technical creativity, while humans have emotional creativity. AI can generate thousands of variations, but it doesn't know why something is beautiful or meaningful.
Exactly. It doesn't know love, loss, fear, or passion, the things that drive us to create in the first place. Humans create because we want to express, connect, or even heal. AI creates because we told it to.
But Paul, don't you think AI could one day develop something like emotion? Like if it learns enough about human behavior, maybe it could simulate emotions so well that it feels real to us.
That's a deep one. I think AI might mimic emotion but not feel it. It can simulate sadness in a song or write about heartbreak, but it doesn't know what heartbreak feels like. It's like an actor reading a script. Convincing, but not personal.
Yeah, that makes sense. But still, it's crazy how far we've come. Think about tools like Midjourney or DALL-E. People are using them to design entire worlds, fashion lines or fantasy landscapes that would have taken months to draw by hand.
Exactly. And what's even more interesting is that this technology is accessible to everyone. You don't have to be a professional artist anymore. You just need an idea and a few words. That's both amazing and a little scary, right?
Yeah, because it raises new questions about ownership and originality. If I use AI to generate an image, who owns it? Me or the machine? And what about all the artists whose work trained that AI?
That's a huge ethical question. Some say AI steals from artists because it learns from existing work. Others argue it's just learning, like humans do. When we see art, it inspires us too, right?
That's true. Inspiration and imitation are part of the creative process. But I think what separates us from AI is intention. Humans create with purpose. AI just follows commands.
Exactly. Like when a child draws a picture, there's love, curiosity, or imagination in that drawing. It's messy but meaningful. AI's art is perfect. But maybe that's the problem. It's too perfect, too polished, and lacks that human imperfection that makes creativity special.
I love that. The beauty of imperfection. Sometimes the little mistakes make art more real. The slightly off-key note in a song, the uneven brushstroke, the unexpected word in a poem. Those moments connect with us emotionally.
Right. And that's what AI can't quite capture. It can make something sound right, but it can't make it feel right.
Exactly. But still, I think AI is making creativity more democratic. Now, people who never thought they were creative can make amazing stuff. Art, music, videos, just by collaborating with AI tools.
That's such a great point. It's giving people a voice who never had one before. Someone with no musical training can now make a song. Someone with no art skills can design a masterpiece. It's like unlocking creativity for everyone.
Yeah, that's powerful. Maybe that's the real magic. Not that AI replaces creativity, but that it awakens creativity in more people.
Exactly. It's like we're entering a new creative era, one where humans and machines build together.
You know, it reminds me of how photography changed art. When the camera was invented, people thought painting was dead, but it wasn't. It evolved. Artists started exploring new styles like Impressionism. Maybe AI is doing the same thing now.
Absolutely. Every big innovation, from photography to computers, has scared people at first. But in the end, it always opens up new opportunities.
Totally. It's not about losing creativity, it's about redefining it. Creativity isn't just about producing something new, it's about how we see the world and express it.
Exactly. AI can show us patterns, but only humans can give them meaning.
And meaning comes from our experiences: love, loss, dreams, hopes, and fears. That's the heart of creativity.
Beautifully said, Emily. And you know what? AI might never truly understand that. It might learn to imitate it, but it won't feel the heartbeat behind a poem or the tears behind a song.
Right. But at the same time, it can help us express those things better. Like a tool that amplifies our ideas. It's like holding a mirror up to human imagination.
Exactly. So maybe the real question isn't, can AI replace human creativity? But how far can humans go with AI by their side?
Yes, I love that. It's not a competition, it's a collaboration.
And when humans and AI work together, we might create things that were never possible before. New kinds of art, new ways to tell stories, new ways to learn and connect.
Totally. Imagine schools in the future where students use AI to explore ideas, write stories, or visualize science experiments. Creativity won't be limited by skill, only by imagination.
That's the dream. A world where technology doesn't replace creativity, but expands it.
Exactly. Because no matter how advanced AI becomes, there will always be one thing that makes us unique: our hearts, our emotions, our ability to care, to dream, and to find beauty in the simplest things.
So true. That's what makes human creativity timeless.
So, to everyone listening, don't be afraid of AI. Embrace it, learn from it, use it to push your imagination further. But never forget, your voice, your ideas, and your emotions are irreplaceable.
Beautifully said, Emily. That's what SpeakFlow podcast is all about. Learning, growing, and creating together.
Exactly. And before we go, if you enjoyed this episode, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share this podcast with your friends.
Yeah, it really helps us grow and bring you more exciting conversations every week.
And don't forget to follow SpeakFlow Podcast on YouTube, Spotify, and everywhere you listen to your favorite shows.
Thanks for tuning in. And remember, stay curious, stay creative, and keep your imagination flowing.
See you in the next episode. Bye.